right side. Okay. As we know, as we are about to learn living things and non-living things. Okay, so let us continue our chapter. Okay, now you have to read from here. Who will read? Zohair Abbas.
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Yes, Zohair Abbas. Start reading. Very good. Read, read.
Okay, ma'am. You are a wonderful example of living being. What do you characteristics
Characteristic.
do you have which make you different from a non-living thing? List a few of these characteris, uh, charac- characteristics in your notebook. Look at your list and mark those characteristics that you have listed, which may also be found
Listed.
in which may also be found in animal or plants. Some of these
Okay.
characteristics are perhaps common to all living things.
Okay. You know what is characteristic? Characteristics means like few things which you have found to breathe. Okay. Like what you say. ऐसी कुछ चीजें, like um, what what shall I explain you that you are the wonderful example, as you know that we are the wonderful example of living beings. Okay. Okay. Or some things, some things which is making us different from living things to non-living things. Okay, first characteristic of living beings is they can, क्या आप बता सकते हो डिफरेंस क्या होता है लिविंग बींग और नॉन लिविंग बींग में? Yes, go ahead. Anyone who can say yes,
Ma'am, living
Nakmi?
thing, Ma'am, Asada Zohar Abbas.
Okay. Yes, go ahead, Abbas.
Ma'am, living thing can breathe. That
Yes, very good.
except plant, all living thing can grow, move. Plant can also move, but plant cannot move. And
Yes,
non-living thing
very good,
does
Zohair.
not move anyway.
Okay, very good. This is the best characteristic that they can breathe. Okay, and living thing can breathe. Non-living thing doesn't breathe. Second, move. They can grow. Okay, second characteristic is they can grow. Non-living things cannot grow. Have you seen any table or chair to grow? No. No, they can't grow because they are non-living things. They don't have life. But have you seen any baby? Okay, after a few years, it becomes a big boy or a big girl. Okay, and then after a few years, they become a adult. Okay, पहले जब हम थे तो छोटे ही थे baby. Okay, we all were baby babies. Okay, so after a few years, we become a big child, big boy or big girl. Okay, then after a few years, we become a adult. The same thing is happening to plants. Plants are very small. After a few years, it becomes a tree. Okay. So these are the characteristic of living beings and non-living beings. Okay. First, yes, Zohair, but start reading. Okay, no, Zohair. Okay, where is Fazil? Where is Fazil?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start reading, Fazil.
Okay, ma'am. Do all living things need food? In chapter 1 and chapter 2, we learn that all living things need food and how uh, essen-
Essential.
essentials it is
Essential.
to essentials it is the animal and to us we have also learned that plants make their now own
Own food
own food through the process out
through the process of
Through the process of photosynthesis,
Photosynthesis.
animals depend and plants and other animals for the food. Food give organism the energy need
Energy.
energy needed from them to grow. Organism also need the energy for other life process that go no inside them.
Okay. Now, first characteristic is all living beings need food. Okay. This is the first and more important characteristic that and the living beings need food, whether it is a small or a big. Okay. If it is elephant, then also they need food. But if living beings is like small fly, okay, मक्खी को भी खाना चाहिए and elephant को भी खाना चाहिए. Okay, we also need food and drinks. Okay, so this is the main characteristic that we all need food, and this will help. The food gives us energy to grow, and organism means and other process also like taking oxygen, running, going. Okay, all these need energy, and we are getting this energy from food. Okay, so second characteristic is do all living things shows growth. Okay, so second is growth. First is food. Every living being needs food. Now second, every living being shows growth. Okay, start reading. Who will read? Sim your name. Who will read new voice?
Name can I sorry Ahmad Fazil.
No first. Okay, have you finished na beta? I want new voice beta.
Do all living things have food?
Anyone? Fatafat. Nakvi, where is Nakvi?
Can I win this?
Yes, Mehndi Hassan, start reading. Yes, Mehndi Hassan, start reading. Don't waste your time. Okay, Ghaziabad Bojani, open your microphone. Okay, leave him. Okay, Ghazi Bojani, open your microphone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start reading, beta.
Yes, sir.
फटाफट बोझानी.
मैम कहाँ से?
इसीलिए बोलती हूँ झपके रहो. आई वॉन्ट यू टू अटेंड योर क्लास प्रॉपरली. ओके, इसीलिए मैं सबको अलग अलग बोलती हूँ कि तुम रीड करो तो सब तो मुझे पता चला कि कौन क्लास अटेंड कर रहा है और कौन सो रहा है क्लास में. ओके, दिस इज द लास्ट टाइम आई एम सेइंग टू यू गाजियाबाद बोझानी. ओके, वी हैव टू रीड फ्रॉम हियर.
Okay, ma'am.
Start reading.
Do all
Living
living
things
things show
growth
growth with those the
kurta
Uta who had for with
ear
yes
back
back
till
swim
fit
with
you.
use.
Okay, enough. Okay. Who? Yes, Zaki Wakil. Open your microphone.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
start reading, beta. From starting.
Do all living things show growth? Does the kurta you had 4 years back still fit you? You cannot wear it anymore, isn't it? You must have grown taller during these years. You may not release it, but you are growing all the time. And in few more years, you will become an adult. Figure 9.10. Young ones of
Read, read.
animals also grow into adults. You would surely have
Sorry.
noticed pups of a dog grow into adults. A chicken hatch from an egg grow into a hen or a cock. Plants also grow. Look around you and see a few more plants of a particular type. Some are very small and young. Some are grown. They may all be in different stages of growth. Look at the plants after a few days and weeks. You may find that some of them have grown in size. Growth seems to be common to all living things. Do you think?
Okay. Okay, leave it. Okay. Second characteristic is growth. Okay. First is all living being made full. Okay. Second is each and every living being or things grow. Okay. Do you know, first before 4 years you were wearing dress, still fits you? No, because you become a bigger boy. Okay. So पहले 4 साल पहले के जो शर्ट पहनते थे, टी शर्ट पहनते थे, आपको नहीं होता अभी, राइट? Okay, because of growth. Now you in these days you become taller. Okay, so that old clothes doesn't fit you. Same thing is happening when you were. This is older stage. Okay, first you were the baby. Okay, sorry. First you were the small baby. Then you start sitting. Then you start crawling. Then you become a big boy. Then become a big boy again, bigger boy again, and then he becomes an adult. Okay, this is the life cycle of adult human being. Okay, same thing is happening to plants. Plants, when you plant a small plant, it is very small. After a few months and few years, it becomes a tree. Okay, so this shows that we need all living beings growth. Okay, so third is do all living things respire. This is the third one, third characteristic, that we need to respire. Respire means breathe. Okay, who will read? Chokia Kulsum. Kulsum Chokia, open your microphone.
Rajani, let's go.
Okay, Charanya, yes, start reading.
Rajani.
Who is reading? Say me your name.
Azim.
Azim Chokya.
Who Fazil?
Azim Chokya, he said.
Okay, Azim Chokia, okay. Okay, start reading, Azim.
Can will live with what?
1 minute. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm so sorry about. Without breathing.
Without breathing when we inhale the air move from outside to the inside of the
Inhale
body
the
when
air. When we breathe.
Out
Breathe.
the air move from inside our body to outside. Breathing is part of a process called
Respiration. Yes, beta, respiration.
In
respiration. Some of the oxygen of the air we breathe in is used by the living body. We
Is
breathe
used by.
out the carbon dioxide produced in this process. The process of breathing in animal like cow, buffaloes, dog,
Buffaloes.
or cat is smaller to
Okay. Observe anyone.
Observe anyone.
Okay. This process is of breathing in animals like cow, buffaloes, dogs, or cats is similar to humans. Observe any one of these animals while they are taking rest and notice the movement of the abdomen. These slow movements indicate that they are breathing. Okay. Now, the third is and the main characteristic is breathing. Okay. Okay. All living beings need to breathe. Okay. Please off your microphone. Okay. Okay. Breathing is a part of process. It's called respiration. Okay. In respiration, some of the oxygen of the air we breathe in is used by a living body. We breathe out carbon dioxide and produce this in this process. Okay. We are taking oxygen inside and take out carbon dioxide. This process is called breathing and respiration. Okay. The process of breathing in animals are same. In animals and humans are mostly all common. Okay, dogs and cats and buffaloes. So we all have same kind of breathing procedure. You can also observe breathing while animal are resting. Okay, जब सोए होते ना animal तब आप देख सकते हो the slow movement in the abdomen. This slow movement is called breathing. जब लेते हैं तो हमारा पेट अप और डाउन होता है राइट when we are taking in oxygen our abdomen sorry our stomach is getting big and when we take out the carbon dioxide our abdomen synchronize this thing is called breathing. Yes, who will read now?
Mama Zaki Wakil.
You know, Zaki Wakil, your turn is finished. On new voice. Yes, Muntazir Jamani, open your microphone. Muntazir Jamani. Muntazir Jamani, can you hear me please? Open your microphone. Okay, leave him. Okay, Noman, Total Gaming. Noman, open your microphone. Total Gaming, Noman, open your microphone. Can you hear me? Noman, can you hear me? Yes or no? If you are listening to me, open your microphone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Noman. Why you are taking so long time, beta? जल्दी, okay? जगते रहो, Noman. Okay, start reading. Noman, start reading. Please don't waste time.
Respiration is necessary for all living organisms.
प्लीज माइक्रोफोन या जो होता है ना वो निकाल दो बहुत आवाज गंदी आ रही है take out your I think so if you are using earphone please take it out now okay
It is thought respiration that the body finally obtains energy from the food it takes.
Some animals.
Some animals may have different
Some animals may have different
mechanisms for the exchange of gases, which is a part of the respiration process.
Who is
For
talking
example,
in
a
between? Who is
swan
everyone off your mic? Just no one will on the mic, okay? And I don't want any other disturbance in my class. Okay, Norman, start reading. Continue.
earthworm breathes through their skin. Fish we have learned have gills for using oxygen dissolved in water. The gills absorb oxygen from the air dissolved in water. Few plants also respire. Exchange of gases in plant mainly takes place through the leaves. The leaves take in air through tiny pores
Through tiny pores.
them and tiny pores in them and use the oxygen they give out carbon dioxide to the air.
Okay.
We learned the
Okay. Enough. I will explain this thing. Okay. Respiration is necessary. As I told you, breathing is necessary to all living organism. If the organism is living or they are living being, they are breathing. Okay. अगर breathe नहीं कर रहा है तो वो non living है. Okay. So this is it is through respiration that body finally obtains energy from the food it takes. Okay, we are taking food and we are getting this energy because of respiration, because of the oxygen. We are getting this energy. Okay, some animals have different mechanism for the exchange. Some organisms may be having some different mechanism. For example, we are breathing with our lungs. Okay, we human beings are breathing with lungs, but earthworms breathe with their skin. Okay, and same thing, fish is using gills for getting oxygen dissolved in water. Okay, the gills will absorb the oxygen and it will be and the fish is using this oxygen. Okay, same thing is happening to plants. Plants also need gases to respire. Okay, the leaves are used in this process. Okay, the leaves take in air through tiny pores and use the oxygen. They give out carbon dioxide to the air. देखो हमारी जैसे ही वो ऑक्सीजन लेता है और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड छोड़ता है. आपको पता है सबको वो सबने बोला गया है कि they take carbon dioxide and gives us oxygen. But this is called photosynthesis. Okay, but breathing it's taking in oxygen and leaving carbon dioxide. Okay, and during daytime when they are making food with the help of photosynthesis, they take carbon dioxide and they take carbon dioxide to make the food and gives out oxygen. Okay, वो photosynthesis में होता है. Breathing तो same ही रहता है, but the part of the breathing and breathing and photosynthesis, the breathing part is small. Okay, so we are not taking that seriously. Okay, सबको पता चला? This is the main new point. Okay. Yes. Read. Continue. I want new voice. Zamin Sayyed, open your microphone. Kanis Panjwani, open your microphone. Zamin Sayed, I said. Zamin Sayed, can you hear me? Aryan Sheikh. Aryan Sheikh, can you open it and speak with me? Yes, Aryan. What is your name, beta? Okay, Aryan, start reading. Yeah, from here, from here. यहाँ से बेटा, आप इसीलिए बोला जाता है कि आप अपना क्लास अटेंड करो ठीक से. यहाँ से रीड करना है. ओके.
Please learn that interlight plants use carbon dioxide of air to produce their own food and give out oxygen. Plant produce their food only during
Produce.
produce their food only during the daytime where the future RES
Whereas respiration
respiration in them takes place day and night. The movement of oxygen is released in the body of the elevator PREPARATION. Ma'am?
Yes, actually I don't hear your voice properly, so I'm confused where you are reading. Okay, okay, enough. Okay. Then as I told you कि पहले मैंने बताया था आपको कि ऑक्सीजन वो ऑक्सीजन लेता है और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड छोड़ता है as respiration. Okay. But in photosynthesis, in making food, they are using carbon dioxide and giving us oxygen. So and मैंने वही बोला था the amount of oxygen released in process of food preparation by plants is much more than oxygen used in respiration. Okay, so we are neglecting the part of respiration of the plant. Okay, the amount, the process, the amount होती है ना जो oxygen release की at the time of food preparation is much more than they are using as a respiration. Okay, so we are neglecting this part. Okay, next. Do all living things respond stimuli? Who will read? Burani Mahdi Hassan. Burani Mahdi Hassan, open your microphone. Open your microphone, beta. Okay, leave them. Okay, Zohair Abbas, start reading, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
We learned that in
Yes, Asaria, who?
Asaria Muhammad Fazil.
Fazil, आपने read करा first time. Okay, I'll give you the second chance. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, go ahead. Start reading. Zohair, start reading.
do all living things respond to stimuli? How do
Stimuli.
you stimuli? How do you respond if you suddenly step on a sharp object like a stone while walking barefoot? How do you feel when you see or think about your favorite food? You suddenly move from a dark place into bright sunlight. What happened? Your eyes shut thin cells automatically for a moment till
Themselves automatically.
themselves automatically thin. They adjust to the change bright surroundings, your favorite food, bright light and a tone. In the above situations are some example of changes in our surroundings. All of us respond
In your
in
surroundings, not our, your surroundings.
your surroundings. All of us respond immediately to such lo- ma'am, immediately to such changes. Changes in our surrounding that make us respond to them are called stimuli. Do other animals also
Okay,
respond?
Zohair. Okay, Zohair. Okay. Let me just explain what is stimuli. Stimuli is when you, okay, when you are walking. For example, when you are walking and you step on the sharp object like throne. Okay. What will happen when you feel something, your favorite food? Okay. So, when you move suddenly to a dark place into the bright sunlight, okay, what happens? What happens? Our eyes shut, our eyes adjust, okay, or shut till the moment when our eyes adjust the brightness, okay. So these all are response, okay. When you step on the throne, okay, when you are sleeping and someone awakes you, okay, what happens? Same thing, okay, this or we get up, okay, we woke up, okay, when we see a throne, what happens? We move step aside, okay. So this response is called stimuli. Okay, समझ आ रहा है what is stimuli? Responding power. Responding power is called stimuli. Okay, same thing is happening in plants also. Yes, yes, Fazil, start reading.
Yes. Do other animal also respond to stimuli? Observe the
Stimuli.
behaviors of animal when the food is served to them. Do you find the suddenly?
Served, served
Yes,
to
ma'am.
them. Served to. When food is served to them,
When the food is served to them, do you find the suddenly become achieved on seeing the food? When
active,
you move,
active on
yes,
seeing.
yes, uh, achieved
बेटा ध्यान से रीड करो.
due on seeing the food. When you move towards a bird, what do it do? Wild animal run away when bright light is flashed towards them. Similarly, cockroach beginning to move
Cockroaches.
to their hiding place.
Hiding place.
If the light in the kitchen, in the in
Is
switched
switched
on
on at night.
at the night, can you give some more example of response of animal to small?
Okay. Now stimuli. We had talked about the human being stimuli. Now we are talking about the responding stimuli to the of the animal. Okay. When animal, when you serve food, okay. Have you seen the behavior of animal when you serve the food? Okay. Or suddenly, because when they find food, they become active. Okay. Towards the food. Okay. When the bird is sitting and when you go near to the bird, what will happen? The bird will fly. Okay. Same thing when in wild animals, when you flash a light towards them, they will run away. Simply happening to, similarly, these things is happening to cockroaches. When you open the light in night, in kitchen, the cockroaches will run in the hiding place. Okay. These are the examples of stimuli. Yes, Zaki Wakil, start reading. Loop. Zaki
Sir,
Wakil.
ma'am, can I give example? Sorry, Ahmad Fazil.
Yes, Mufazil.
Ma'am, under the table
Yes.
under the table, under the cupboards,
Mm,
kitchens.
okay. Yes, the cockroaches. Yes. Right. Okay. Yes. Start reading. Vakil. Where is Zaki Vakil? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Leave him. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Vakil. गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा, जग जाओ, कब से तुम्हारा नाम लिया जा रहा है?
हाँ, ma'am.
ओके, स्टार्ट रीडिंग.
Yes. Do plants also require respond to stimuli? Flowers of some plants bloom only at night. In some plants, flower close after sunset. In some plants, like mimosa, commonly known as touch-me-not, leaves close or fall when someone touches them. There are some examples of response of plants towards changes in their surroundings.
Okay. Now, stimuli is also present in uh, uh, plants also. Okay. Some flowers bloom at night only. For example, some plants the flowers will close after sunset. Okay, this also an example, and this is a good example. Mimosa plant. You can also known as touch me not plant. When you touch the plant, the leaves fold, closes. Okay, when you just touch. These all are the stimuli in plants. These all are the examples of plants towards the changes in its surroundings. Okay, we are about to finish our lecture. Only 2 minutes are left. Okay, so we will not start activity number 4. Okay, so we will continue our activity number 4 in our next lecture, maybe tomorrow, inshallah. Okay, so till here we have completed. Okay, and we will start activity number 4 in our next lecture. Okay, till then, take care and bye bye. Have a nice day. And don't trouble your mother. And Khuda Hafiz to everyone.